the hell?
She's gonna have a baby here. She's gonna have,
Already have the baby.
she can't travel. I can't even begin to tell you how many times I have said, if you have a baby here and you come to the United States and they know you gave birth here and you want to travel back on a visitor's visa and they discover you gave birth here, you are never being allowed back in the United States of America again. You made a misrepresentation. You lied. You made a falsehood up where you said you were coming to visit and you gave birth. So you're calling me up and asking me, how do I break the law? You already broke the law. I can't tell you how to unbreak it.
Okay.
That's how it works, unfortunately.
Okay. And another question is, I am in the process of sorting out myself, but I have a 17-year-old son. If I put in my papers, do I have to wait until mine come through before I can put in his? Suppose I don't have the money to put in both of us papers.
Who's sponsoring you?
My husband.
Okay, yes, your husband can sponsor your son at a later date as long as he files before he's 21.
Okay.
What I would do is if you can't afford to put in all the papers, at least put it in the I-130 visa petition. And the reason is because if you put the I-130 visa petition in, your son will always be considered under 21.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. And if you
Thank you.
if you need help, hold on. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Terry. Terry,
Yes, hello.
how are you?
Sorry, I'm a bit hoarse, but I'll try to speak as clearly as possible.
All right.
I've been married for 1 year now, and my husband and I, we have a domestic issue, and I called the cops on him. So we're separated now. I got a 2-year preliminary protective order against him. What I want to know is what is my next move? What should I do? Because basically this marriage is over. And I've not gone in for an interview as yet, and I've been married for 1 year.
Well, if there was abuse in the relationship, then what you need to do is file an abuse case. And you're going to need help in that. And there's no law that says that you have to stay together in an unhappy marriage just for you to get your green card. So I can certainly help you. And hold on one second, okay?
So I have to go through a lawyer, you say?
Well, you're not. Listen, you don't have to do anything you don't want to do. Everybody can file on their own what they need to do. But I am telling you, it is very rare, very rare that you're going to say, you know what? I have never filed an abuse case ever in my entire life. My complete knowledge of immigration is what I hear from my friends. And I'm going to file what lawyers go to law school for 3 years, and then experienced lawyers don't even get approved. I know lots of people who come to me who go to experienced lawyers and don't get their abuse cases approved. And so I would suggest to you,
He's just giving you some professional advice.
I would suggest to you that it is extraordinarily unlikely that you're going to file an abuse case on your own and get it approved.
Gotcha.
All right. Hold on one second if you need help. Hold on.
Okay.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. We have a lot going on here in the studio, so I apologize that, we seem to be a little concocted here, but we are now live on YouTube. Concocted. We are now live on Periscope. What?
I think you handled it very well.
We are live on WVIP. And for some reason, I keep getting knocked off of Facebook. But what I would ask you to do, SMG, is tell people intermittently throughout this program
I've already posted the YouTube
that if
link.
they have a problem listening on Facebook, to go to the YouTube link, and YouTube is working perfectly on everybody's phone. All right? 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Eden.
Yes, I'm here.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Good. What's going on?
I have a question. So I'm from Haiti, and I am a CPS holder. So I would like to know if I marry my boyfriend who is a U.S. citizen, can he sponsor me?
Yes. How did you enter the United States?
I entered the United States after the earthquake.
How?
I escort my nephew to come in here. When I come, I was going to the CPS.
No, my question to you is, you entered America. Did you come through an airport? Did you take a
Yes,
boat?
airport.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yes. So the answer is, if you marry your U.S. citizen boyfriend, you'll get a green card. Now, with all the TPS people, they're only going to extend it for 6 more months.
Yes.
So, so you need to do something now, not later.
Oh, all right. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. So for everybody, and hold on one second, I can help you. 1-800-529.
1-800-LawLink. We are back.
Wow, oh my God. You know what? As soon as Squeeze's phone went off, all of a sudden it just lit a fire under him.
1-800. By the way, folks, let's rev up the line. Sorry, Brad. I just joined the show, man.
Why does everybody have to call you during the show?
I don't know. It's just, it wouldn't be the show without getting called.
Yes. Okay, so you're ready to join the show now.
Yeah, so let me rev up the lines. I want all the lines lit up because this is the last show. For some of us go to warm weather, some of us. G, J, I think that's a Z, and the rest.
I would not be saying out the rest, thank you. All right.
We just hacked.
Yes, 1-800-529-5465.
There was collusion. Why that happened.
5465. Salah.
Salah, what's up?
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
I am wonderful. What are you doing this weekend?
Working.
Oh, sorry to hear that. All right, no problem. Well, at least let's work out your question that you have for Brad.
Gosh, I have a dilemma. I got arrested for DWI, and I just have an issue with that.
Oh, you have a DWI?
Yeah, I'm trying to get married though, and that's the thing. He's in Jamaica, and we're trying to get married in Jamaica. But does that affect him or me from getting married?
No, as long as you don't have, to go to jail or anything. Yeah. You're a U.S. citizen. You can do it. As long as you don't have a sex offense against somebody, you're free to get married to whoever you want.
Oh, okay.
You're cool.
And if we
Cool.
is it a faster result to get married in Jamaica? Because they have different.
The fastest result is to do a fiancé visa and bring them up on a fiancé visa. That would be the fastest.
Oh, fiancé visa.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it was just going to travel there, and then because that's what I was told.
No, you have no problem traveling.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, then. Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Squeeze, are you part of the show?
I am a part of the show.
All right.
Why am I yelling?
Can you please?
Are you a part of the show, Brad?
I'm looking right at you.
Oh, I thought he was like a statue. SSG.
No, I'm waiting for him to talk. I'm looking at you.
Yeah,
He doesn't say anything.
there's a.
Ladies and gentlemen, the number is 1-800-529-5465. Everyone can call from wherever you are in the world right now to 1-800-529-5465 or 212-227-8933. Let's go to another question right now. Immigration questions we're answering right here at the Brad and Squeeze show, powered by the law offices of Spar, Bernstein, and the Link Up Media Group. Let's go to this call right now. Hello.
Yeah, Karima.
Hello?
Hi, Karima. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. This is Karima. I'm from Iraq. I've been here in the United States for about 9 years. I used to work with the American Army. I came to America for SIV visa.
Yes.
Actually, my daughter applied for citizenship, and she passed the test. The officer congratulated me, and she told me that she's very proud that because I'm a mom of these beautiful kids. Accidentally, I received... when I was checking her status on the computer, they told me they deny her case for no reason,
Well, what was the reason? You have no idea?
Well, no, I've been calling the immigration, but the only thing that...
Did she get a decision in the mail explaining why she was denied?
Well, I've tried to call the immigration, but they told me they're going to send me a letter. I'm, waiting for the letter. But the problem is I'm going to lose my daughter. She's crying. She's a panic. She's afraid. She's frustrated.
Is this applying for her citizenship or her green card?
No, she's already has a green card.
Okay, so then they should not tell her not to be panicked. Everything will be fine. If she is
Yes.
otherwise eligible for her citizenship, meaning that she speaks English, she can write English, she doesn't have a criminal
she is.
record, I assume, she's a good person, pays her taxes, and she's been a resident for more than 5 years and hasn't left the country for long periods of time, we're going to make her a citizen
Yes.
one way or the other. Okay? So,
Well, how do I do that?
well,
Because I live in Texas.
the first step is to figure out why they're denying you. So that's why you come
Okay.
to me, and then we'll figure out why they're denying you, so I know how to react to that. Until I know
Right.
why they're denying you, or whether it's a made-up reason, it's an error, it's something more substantive that we're not aware of, we will
Right.
figure it out. Okay?
Right.
But that's the
Yes.
first step. So you come to me, and then we go from there, figure out what is the problem, and then we come up with a solution for you. That's what good lawyers do. So hold on
Right.
1 second. I don't know what the problem is until we figure out why they're denying, and then we'll figure it out from there. So hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Once again, folks, you're in tune to the Brad and Squeeze Show. My name is David Squeeze Annakie. We've got Brad Bernstein here. He's the attorney. And we're taking calls, but we need some more shares. Right now, I want everybody who is on Facebook, whether it's David Squeeze Annakie's page, Law Officer Spar Bernstein, or Brad Bernstein's page, rather. Today's our last show for a few. All right? I need for you to heart us. Okay, I want to see lots of hearts going across the screens of all of the platforms. David Squeeze Annakie's page, Law Officer Spar Bernstein, Brad Bernstein. One heart. Somebody just thumbed you, Brad. All right.
Thank you.
I want to see lots of love. Okay, love, love, love. I want to make it. I want to make it look like it's Valentine's Day. All right, there they go. There they go.
SMG, could you pin the part about Facebook on top also?
Yeah,
The
pin.
YouTube part.
Yeah, about YouTube. If you can't hear, go to YouTube.
Yeah, just put that in
Put
the
that pin to the
in
top.
the top. Yeah.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. Dasha.
Darsha, thank you so much for tuning into the Brad and Squeeze Show. What's your question for Brad?
Hi, good day. My question is, I filed a FOIA with you guys. I think I'm 240. I don't think, for sure I'm 245 eligible, but I just need a document from way in the 1990s when my dad was being filed for. Unfortunately, the file came back, but it didn't have anything from that year or those years. It just had the last filing, which was in 2002. Can you tell me what can be done, because I don't have any other way of getting the document from way back then.
Let me tell you something. You're my client. I'm going to solve your problem in person. I can promise you that. I'm not going to solve your problem on the radio. I would need to see what we did, what came in. I don't know off the top of my head. All right? So you're calling me you're my client. Why are you calling on the radio? Come make an appointment to see me. You want help? Come see the man in person. Why would you call on the radio show? How could I possibly help you? But when I see you in person, I see the whole file. I can absolutely help you. So hold on. I'm going to put you on hold, and you're going to come see me, and I can help you. All right? Let's be smart about this. You know, I don't understand people.
Be nice.
No, I'm being nice. I mean,
Be nice.
you have a problem.
Right.
What are you waiting to call on the radio?
She has something
She's
that
my
you have.
client.
But she has something that you have. It's called anxiety.
Yeah, all right.
So calm down, man.
Okay.
All right? Thank you.
Christella.
Hello, Christella. I'm good.
Christella?
Sorry, how
Or
are
is
you?
it Christella?
Yeah, Christella.
Christella.
Yes.
Christella.
Okay, so my dad came in 1998. He used to come back and forth, and that's why I was born here. But my dad came in 98, and what happened is they stole his passport in Haiti, so he came on a boat to get out.
Right.
But then he came in 98 through a boat, and then he filed asylum in 2000. But then what happened was they were telling him he didn't file within a year or something like that. So then they only let him do something called withholding. I don't know.
Withholding of removal, yes.
Okay. So then he married my first stepmom, right, in March 2001.
Right.
And she filed the green card for him May 2001.
Mm-hmm.
But then she left. Like, she was abusing daddy, and she left in 2002.
Did she file it before May 3rd, 2001?
No, the priority date says May 7th, 2001.
Oh, wow. She missed it by 3 days. Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
And then, so she left, and then what happened is he had a green card interview in 2005 for her, but he went alone and then was denied.
Of course. And
then
he has withholding of removal, and B, he entered without inspection, and he was supposed to get his application in by May 3rd and got it in May 7th, 4 days too late.
There's more to it. So then the court case was denied in 2005, and he was ordered. They told him to get out, but Papi never left.
Wait, you just told me you got withholding of removal.
No, he didn't get it. That was he tried to get it. They didn't give it to him.
So Papi has an order of deportation and a wife who has left him, and he's been here for 25 years or 30 years. And
he's been here since '98.
I assume
he remarried. Hold on, he has a new wife.
1 second. Okay. All right. He has an order of deportation. He can be married to 100 people. There's a warrant out. All right.
He's only been married twice.
I know. I'm making a joke. There's a warrant out for his arrest.
Okay.
We have to reopen his case. Okay.
No, he tried. They denied it.
So what would you
they
like?
Said that
okay, Crystal.
He tried to do a motion to reopen.
Cristela.
Yeah.
Cristela. Okay. If you said no, he tried, he did it. Why are you bothering calling me? Why call me? So then we tried. We can't do nothing. Then tell him to pack up and go home. You want help? You come in. I got to look at the file. I got to make a motion to reopen. Maybe the lawyer screwed up. Maybe you're entitled to do what's called a joint motion. There's lots of things people can do. But for you to say, no, he tried, why are you calling? Why call?
No,
so I'm telling you what needs to be done, and you're saying no.
No, I'm not saying no. I'm telling you that we
then
I'm not saying no, we shouldn't.
Then I put if you say we already tried it, then you put your hands up and said we tried it. Then I'll put my hands up and say okay. If you want, hear me out. Okay, listen to me closely. This is a radio show. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's also a live Facebook page.
It is?
Yes, it's also on Periscope and YouTube.
It is.
I can only do so much for a human being on a 3-minute telephone call.
Did you eat?
No. Okay? I can only do so much for a human being on a 3-minute telephone call. We're going to do immigration today, but thank you. I can only do so much on a 3-minute telephone call. And so you're asking me, Papi got married. He filed too late for 245I. He applied for asylum. He filed too late for that. He's done everything too late. Then I said, he's divorced. Now he's married again. He would like to get a green card. You already made a motion to reopen. It was denied. So therefore, I said, okay, we still have to reopen his case no matter what. He doesn't go anywhere unless he reopens his case. His immigration case goes nowhere. And then your retort to me is, well, we already tried it. So if we already tried it, there's nothing else I can do. If on the other hand, you say, you know what? I want to go see a good lawyer. Because so far, I've had a lot of crappy lawyers, a lot of crappy ones. People who filed too late twice, and then everybody's putting up their hands saying, sorry, can't help you. Hold on 1 second, all right?
Okay.
You are like the quintessential person who needs help. Hold on.
Quintessential.
Quintessential. Thank you for making
Quintessential.
fun of me. Squeeze is making fun of me.
All right, so once again, folks, right now I need for you all to stop. 15 seconds, please. Every single person that's even listening to 93.5. 1, this is the Brad and Squeeze Show. Make a note of it. 2, if you're listening by way of the 93.5 WVIP frequency, need for you... Speak back in Spanish. This is a show. This is a radio show. So who FaceTime you?
Somebody FaceTime me. I said, this is a radio show.
Someone just FaceTime you in Spanish. Ole was going to get... Oh, I like that beautiful picture.
Yeah, I'm on a radio show, so it's hard for me to have a conversation with you at this moment.
He's being himself right now. This is a radio show. Where was I before?
I mean, the people are calling me on my phone, on FaceTime.
I want everybody to share this page, whatever page you're watching, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Periscope. Just share with every single person that you go.
Garfield says I need a cold red stripe. You want to know what this is, Garfield? This is the last show before a well-needed vacation.
Yep.
Garfield, and then I will come back and have I will have multiple red stripes on vacation. And then when I come back, I'll be good.
He's heading to Colombia to water the garden.
I don't know what I'm going to do in Colombia, but
You just don't know. You're pulling a SMG.
I don't know.
You're just going to show up in another country.
He's just going to experience the culture. That's all.
I'm quite sure he's going to experience the culture.
Country.
Let's
I'm
go back
going
to
to
it.
experience the culture.
I'm quite sure you are.
I
Let's
heard
go
it's
to another
beautiful
caller.
country.
I
I'm
think
gonna
Kamar
find
is
out.
waiting for us.
Kamar.
Thank you so much for joining the Brad and Squeeze show, which is always unique. I guarantee that. Kamar, what's up? Kamar. Okay. Let's put Kamar on hold. We'll come back to you. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Shad.
Cordella's like, Brad, you need a vacation.
Yeah, he needs more than a vacation.
Shade.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Hello. Where are you calling from today?
New York,
New York. Well, where in New York?
Brooklyn.
BK. In the BK, a part of Long Island as far as the county is concerned.
That is correct.
All right, let's go. All right.
But it's a borough of New York City, but it is in Long Island.
Yeah. A lot of people don't know that Brooklyn is in Long
It's
Island.
Long Island, yeah.
Yeah. Did you know that, Shad? You didn't know that, right?
I didn't know that. No.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
I have two questions. First question is can your friend file for you?
No,
Like sponsor you or no?
no friend sponsorship.
No. Okay. All right. So my dad, he before he died, he started filing for me, and I got an approval. But different lawyers keep telling me different things. Nothing promising. I want to know he was born here? Is it possible for me to still obtain my green card or citizenship, even though he died?
Your dad was born in the United States of America.
Yes.
So and when did he die? How old were you?
I think I was like probably 20 something when he died, but he started filing when I was like 18.
How old are you now?
Almost 30.
Okay. If he lived in the United States for 10 years prior to your birth, and when you were born, he's a U.S. citizen, and it's definitive proof that he was your father, you're an automatic U.S. citizen.
Right, but the lawyers say I need a whole bunch of stuff which I can't get. I have his birth certificate.
Mm-hmm. Well, why don't you?
That's all I really have.
Okay. So, what is it that you can't get? You have a birth certificate. You have your birth certificate, right?
Right, but when I was born in Jamaica, and he couldn't get to be there to sign the paper. So before he started to file, my mother did something so he could be added onto it.
Okay. And when he filed for you, was the visa petition approved?
Yes, it was approved.
All right. So did he have to take a blood test at some point to prove that he was your father?
Not when it was approved. No, the first part, no.
Mm-hmm. All right, but I'm sure he had to prove he was your biological father to get the visa petition approved. Right? Makes sense.
I guess.
Yeah. I mean, they wouldn't approve a visa petition if he's not the biological father. So, you went to lawyers who are exceedingly, and I don't want you to say who they are, but I will tell you. I don't have no idea who they are, but I will tell you, who are beyond exceedingly ineffective. And the reason is this, okay? We have to prove he's your biological father. He's already he proved it when he was alive. He filed a visa petition for you and it got approved. Simple. You do a Freedom of Information Act request. You get a copy of the records. Boom. Here's all the proof you need that he's your biological father. Not enough, because you still have to prove he lived in the United States for 10 years prior to his birth. Well, he's dead. How do I do that? Well, you have his death certificate, and you write away to the Social Security Bureau. Every person who worked in America and paid taxes paid into Social Security.
He was in the military.
Even better. He was G.I. Joe. Contact the military and get his military records. He was living in the United States for 10 years prior to his birth. Or you get the Social Security records. Social Security records go back to 1932. Here's the Social Security records. Here's the military records. Why are lawyers telling you to get these records? These are simple things lawyers should be getting.
Probably not an immigration lawyer.
Because they were worried about
what are they worried
being
about?
Added on to the birth certificate at that time.
They're worried that you're not a U.S. citizen. I'm worried that they did nothing to prove that you were a U.S. citizen.
I'm worried that she's not going to book an appointment to come see you. So why don't you hold a minute, all right?
All right, hold on one second.
So this way we can eliminate all the worries.
Hold on.
Right, little Nikki?
Right.
Okay. Right, SMG?
I believe she might be a citizen.
Okay. Nice. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Welcome again to the Brad and Squeeze Show as we evolve as a radio show, a TV show, a internet show. I don't know what kind of a show.
Cordella's telling me to chill out and go to Jamaica.
He needs to chill out. I'm gonna put a little calm on his asphalt
not calm right
now. You know?
Garfield said you need a cold red stripe.
I saw that. I need more than a cold red stripe and
a chill pill?
Chill pill. Can you get my chill pills for me, please?
Sure. After the show.
After this. Yeah.
1-800-529-5465. We answer immigration questions. We make you laugh a little occasionally. Sometimes, very rare, we make you sad. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Thanks to all the people sharing. You have made Brad and Squeeze very proud. All right? And we got to say thanks to all the key people who tune in. No matter how many times we log on, they tune in. Whether it's 9 o'clock or 12 o'clock on weekdays, they tune into Brad and Squeeze. Let's go to another call at 1-800-529-5465. That's the number for the law offices. 1-800-LawLink. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to this call. Hello.
Paul,
Hello?
how are
Hello.
you?
Hello?
Paul.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, is this Brad or Squeeze?
This is Brad.
And Squeeze.
Is this
All right.
Is this Paul?
I have a quick... Paul here.
Paul? Okay, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Hey, Brad, Squeeze. Don't squeeze Brad too much. I've
Never
been
that.
listening
No,
to the show.
no.
Let me-
It's not
Paul.
that kind of show.
Paul,
It's not-
Paul, we don't even joke about that here.
All right. Listen, I've been listening to your show and your vitamin and everything for the past 5-6 years.
Thank you.
Have you been taking the vitamins?
Thank you.
Have you just
I
listened
really
to them?
appreciate
I
you
am
listening.
taking
You
it.
take the
Thank you
vitamins.
so much, my brother. You just made my day.
What vitamins do you take?
BioLife.
Which one? There's a lot of them.
BioLife, big guy.
Probably Man of
BioLife.
Steel. The strength of a man.
Man of Steel. Tomorrow afternoon, I'm leaving for Las Vegas.
And you're carrying that with you, right?
Yeah, he's
You're
gonna
going to
be
need that.
He's gonna
I
take
gotta carry my supply.
He's gonna take a double dose tomorrow.
Of course.
No, behave. I gotta go light.
You're going light.
Yes.
You say he's going light.
Anyway, I have a question for someone who I'm trying to help. I'll send them over to your office. But this guy came about 6 years ago with a boat, entered the U.S.,
I'm listening.
and he stays here, he works, he pays tax, he married to someone, they have 3 kids, the wife is a citizen, and they file his paper in, she sponsor him, his attorney, whoever he is, I don't know, send him back to Guyana, and he's there now for 8 months.
Did he send him home with a provisional waiver?
I don't know, big guy. That is why I want to send someone to see you.
Come see me immediately because he could have sent him home for a decade.
Yeah, he's there for 7 months. His wife just came back last weekend, went to see him with the kid.
If he went home without a provisional waiver, he has a 10-year bar, and that lawyer committed malpractice by sending him home.
Mm-hmm.
We would need to do the waiver in Guyana. Hopefully, it was not done yet, and we can get a chance to do it. A good job for him. So tell her to come in. So hold on 1 second.
Yes. Like I said, I have the number.
Okay, fantastic, Paul.
I save it, man. I
Thank
listen
you.
to crime.
Thank
I
you.
listen to real estate. My radio is 93.5 as long as I am in the car.
Do you listen to Personal Injury with Russell?
Yes, Russell.
Yeah. You listen to Matrimonial with Just Megan?
Yes, I listen to real estate. I listen to my guy in the morning when I come to work at 5 o'clock a.m.
That's Sinbar and that guy Squeeze, yeah. You listen to USA Credit Repair?
Credit repair, buddy. Mine is 810.
That's what I'm talking
Wouldn't
about.
it hilarious? He goes, "What credit repair?"
Never that.
All right, Paul.
No,
thank you for
good
listening.
show. I'm from Guyana too, man, but
Thank
I
you.
work for the Nassau County Police Department.
What do you do there?
I'm a parks officer.
All right,
I am in Manhasset, Long Island.
Oh, wow, that's my neighborhood.
Yes, I'm in Manhasset.
Yeah, that's my neighborhood. All right.
North Hempstead.
All right.
17 years, big guy.
Wow, very good. All right. I like the Gino's Pizza on Main Street there in Manhasset.
Yes, it's right here.
Yeah, it's
Gino
right
is
there.
right here,
Yeah,
man. I
yeah.
walk over there for my
Yeah.
pizza.
Yeah, it's good. Pizza's good there, Squeeze, if you're ever in
You're a
Manhasset.
big guy, man.
Yeah,
All
free
right.
commercial for
Again,
Gino's.
don't forget the name, Paul.
All right. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Paul.
All right, buddy.
Take care.
Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
All right,
Good
big
guy.
man. Okay, buddy.
Big man? Good guy?
No, big guy. You're a
I
big
was,
guy and
I
you're a
was
buddy.
just I was just telling him where to go get pizza.
You're a
in this
buddy and
town.
you're a big guy.
I'm trying to be. I try to be. But you want to know what? If I eat too
What?
much,
Why are you laughing? He's a buddy and he's a big guy.
If I eat too much pizza, I will really be a big guy. So let's go to
You need some Man of
Andre.
Steel for that, man.
Yeah, Andre.
Anyway, Andre, what's up?
Yeah, hello.
What's up, man?
Yeah, blessed love, blessed love.
Man, as
yeah.
I respect.
Yeah, I'm just called to find out, like, I came on a J1 program.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and, like, my DS expire. I work permit. I just want to find out if, like, you have any way I could, like, apply for a new one.
Well, you can't apply for a new work permit, but you certainly can apply for green cards. You can get sponsored in jobs, sponsored by family. There's lots of different options for you. Usually when you come on the J1, you have duration of status, so you don't have the 10-year bar. Whether or not you have a 2-year home residence requirement, which is a whole other thing besides the 10-year bar, is a different story. But certainly the best visas to overstay, and I say it all the time, don't overstay. But if you were to overstay on a visa by accident or on purpose, overstay on a J or an F because it gives you the most options. So hold on 1 second, all right? So you have options. Hold on, Andre. Come in for an appointment.
Once again, that's Andre calling us right here, the Brad and Squeeze Show, as we turn it up on the radio, 93.5 WVIP. Want to say thanks to that great company, USACreditRepairInc.com, for, of course, sponsoring the show. Remember, you can reach them at 1-800-USA-7177 if you have bad credit. If your score is below 700, if you don't know if someone has been in your score, why not just get a free credit consultation? You have absolutely nothing to lose. Free. 1-800-USA-7177. I'll be slow with the number. Everybody with a credit score below 700, you have bad credit. You heard my friend just call Brad Big Man and said that he has an 810 credit score. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the number to call is 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. Can you pass me one of those two, please? I'm giving you a directive.
He broke his shoe.
I don't care about that.
So now he doesn't
Can
want
you
to do
pass
anything.
me
He's
one
more
of those for me,
concerned about his
please?
shoe.
That's a directive. I'm not asking. Yeah, please. No one ever offers me anything in here. Brad used to be such a kind dude.
Did I give you my water yesterday?
Dude, I remember when you used to buy me birthday gifts.
No, yeah.
Seriously. I do remember.
Yeah. That's before I had to pay you all this money.
You know the weirdest thing about it? You
what?
gave me a Louis bag, travel bag, because I used to travel so much.
Right.
And this girl, this model chick I was dating, she stole it. I was so pissed.
I can imagine. It's expensive. Carol.
Yes, sir.
That was about a decade ago, 2 decades ago. Hey, Carol, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm wonderful. We can help you, I hope.
Well, I have a sister who was in the United States 10 years ago. She had a multiple visa, and she came. She stayed. She had gotten 6 months when she came in to JFK, and she stayed 5 months. I got sick, and I wanted her to stay on a little bit more to watch my kids while I do surgery. But coincidentally, our husband got sick at the time back where she lived. So she left the country, spent 5 days where she lived, and came back. On her return, coming in back, they held her in Puerto Rico and grilled her a lot. Really, really
How
grilled
long did
her.
she overstay?
She had 6 months on the multiple visa. Spent 5 months here.
So why did they stop her coming back? Because they said she was coming to work or she was spending way too much time here. She ended up most likely having what's called a summary exclusion, which is a deportation at the airport. My guess is that's what happened. To try to get her to come back, she would need a waiver from a prior order of deportation, perhaps even a misrepresentation waiver. If after grilling her, they found that she committed some sort of fraud or misrepresentation, she was coming here to work or live. So the first step in these situations is always to get the immigration records, see exactly what happened. They actually, during the interview, they will give you the transcript of every question they asked her. When you said grilled, we'll see the questions they asked her, her answers. Usually what happens is they have them sign the questions and answers at the end that says that this is your responses to our questions. And then from there, we can make a determination how we can help. So, I mean, the first step would be, let's get the records and see exactly what she said and what they alleged she did wrong.
Where can I get those records from?
You come to me and I get them.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. The Brad and Squeeze Show. Come on, Brad. Cheer up. Come on, man.
Laura.
Cheer up.
Laura?
This guy's like a lizard. Your color just changed.
The chameleon?
Laura?
Yeah, hi.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with Brad. That's how I'm doing.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my voice is not that.
Why is everybody's voice bad today?
What's going on? Where's everybody been going? Why is your voice like that?
Yeah, because I cry. I lost my daddy, and then I want to go to Africa, and my mom's sick.
Oh.
Since my father died, and then I have a question about my passport.
What's your question?
I applied for traveling document. I'm not citizen yet, but they give me a date to do the fingerprint on the 25. I just like to know if it's possible after I do the fingerprint, if anything I can do to go leave the country before I receive the passport, or I have something to do.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I know. No, I only have a green card.
So what fingerprint do you try to renew your green card? Is that what you're trying to do?
I'm trying with my green card, but if it's possible.
If you have a death in the family, you can go make an appointment immediately to go down to immigration, get a stamp in your passport, and leave immediately.
Yeah. So if they can do something for me to give me something.
Yes, to leave. You can give.
After
They can
do the fingerprint.
You don't even need to fingerprint. You just can go down to immigration. You're a green card holder. You're renewing your green card. Here's the death certificate. They will put a stamp in your passport tomorrow and let you go.
Oh, the old passport I used to have.
Yeah, well, you need a passport to travel, so you need a new passport. Can you get a passport quickly from your country?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you need first.
No. I don't have a passport from my country.
How did you get your? Are you based on like some sort of asylum or something?
I came here by refugee, and so
as
then
a refugee. All right. Did you apply for a
Yeah.
refugee travel document?
Okay.
That's what. Did you do that?
But I'm not going back to my country. I'm going to Guinea. My
Did
father
you
and my mom.
apply for a refugee travel document?
Okay, and if you don't mind, I have another question again.
That was my question to you. I didn't.
Okay, and if it's possible
I haven't
to
helped her
come
yet,
with
but
my
we'll go to
mom
the next
because she got a knee problem. She's sick. She's in bed and she can't move herself.
Slow down a bit.
You can't help your mom until you're a citizen.
Okay.
Now, I don't know how other ways we can get your mom here. I don't know. But your number one priority right now is traveling for the funeral. So what I am saying to you is for you to travel to the funeral, you need a refugee travel document issued by USCIS. If it has not been issued to you yet, you can try to expedite it by going down to the local immigration service with the death certificate that you need.
They will tell me how much I'm going to spend over there, or
if you have not filed it yet, you first need to file one, get the receipt, and then go down to immigration.
I already applied. The fingerprint is on Wednesday.
So then why do you have to pay for it two times? All right, Laura, I want to help you. Make an appointment to come see me. I will help you. Okay? And I'm sorry about it.
Okay.
All right. Squeeze.
I think someone like Laura actually needs to have someone like you handle a case like what she has, because I know she's a little bit
she's not listening because she has a lot of
incoherent
stress.
right now because of what she's going through,
Exactly.
and she actually needs someone to actually take this into their hands and actually handle it professionally. So I would urge her to actually retain the law offices of Spar and Bernstein to handle such a case at this moment.
Correct.
1-800-529-5465. It's now 11 minutes before the hour. Let's go to social media. After this one.
After this one, I'm sorry.
Erica, you're running up and down the stairs with your phone in your pocket? What's up? Erica, take the phone out of your pocket.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. I would like to know if I'm in the middle of changing my status. If it's okay for my daughter is also on my filing. Is it okay for my daughter to travel and say she's coming here to visit me?
Your question is that you have applied for your daughter's green card, and is it okay for her
No, my husband is filing for both me and my daughter.
Okay, so your
But she
question,
lives
I
in
understand. So your question is, my husband has
Mhm.
applied for my daughter. She would like a green card. She would like to
Mhm.
come to the United States and despite the fact that you've applied for her green card, she's shown an
Mhm.
intent to live here for the rest of her life, come to the airport and say, I'm visiting.
Yeah, no. She has a visa. Filing is not yet come through, but she has a visa.
All right, so your question is this. The filing has been filed by your husband for her to come
Mhm.
live here for the rest of her life with a green card. She has a visa, and you would like her to show up at the airport and say she's not coming here to live for the rest of her life. She's coming here to visit.
Right.
Okay. Either way, I've just said the same thing twice. And what they will say at the airport is, liar, pants on fire, and she's going to have a problem. So once you file for the green card, especially for a child, and the mother doesn't even have her green card yet, it is extraordinarily unlikely that she would get through at the airport if they know she's been filed for, which most likely they will. They will probably send her turn her around, and then she's going to have a huge, beyond huge problem getting a green card. Let her stay where she is. And if you need help making sure she gets here as quickly as possible on a green card, then you hire a good lawyer.
So you say it's not safe for her to come then?
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
All right,
1-800-LawLink.
quick question from YouTube. My friend, she would like to know if she went for an interview to get her citizenship, and they told her that her husband owes some money on his taxes. If she needs, is it okay? And if she calls you for an appointment?
Yes, it's okay to call for an appointment. If the husband owes taxes, and it's causing her a problem with her citizenship, it's because they filed a joint tax return. So she owes the taxes too. So make an appointment to come see us.
All right, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Knock them on. I got a few right here, so there you go.
I filed a petition for my wife in March and have received a letter of receipt. How long after before I get a letter of approval or denial?
You filed for your wife in March. You have a receipt. It takes 6 months if your wife's not here in America.
Okay. There you have it. Go ahead, Squeeze.
It's my turn?
Yeah.
All right, let's move to this one right here as Brad checks his phone. Okay, we want to say thanks to each and every one who has already shared. I would like to know if you come into the United States on a green card. Now, you want citizenship, didn't know about that you have to register for the selected services. What can the person do? Will soon be 26 in August.
Go do the selective service now. You can do it up until your 26th birthday.
Okay, go do the selective service. Yep. All right, if I came here as a child and my dad got a citizenship and I did prison time, can I get citizenship from him? It all depends.
Yeah, it depends how old you are. Did you live with your dad? How old were you when you got your green card? Make an appointment to come see me.
Very important that you do that, all right?
If you overstay on your student visa while maintaining your status, will you have a problem getting your green card?
Depends who's sponsoring you.
Okay, good morning to you all. If someone wants to extend their stay, how do they go about doing that? Do you work with a person in Panama City?
Yes.
Okay.
When you have your 2-year green card to get
Panama
your 10...
City? What's it over?
Florida.
Yeah, Panama City, Florida.
They came on a visitor's visa. They're in Panama City, Florida. They'd like to extend their visitor's visa.
That's a big spring break spot.
Yeah.
Parties out there are crazy. Mm-hmm. When you have your 2-year green card...
How do you know this?
Because I'm a party. I used to be a party guy.
You went to Panama City?
I know people that have. And they've shown me videos and pictures and...
Vicarious.
I know people who also have gone to Panama City to party.
Did you go to Panama City?
No, I don't associate with those people.
Oh, why not? In other words, it's quite something out there. It's quite something.
Yes.
When you have your 2-year green card to get your 10-year, do you have to do an interview?
Usually.
Wait, so if I had said I did go to Panama City,
you would be fired. Last time I insulted a city, Atlanta, I got a lot of slack for it. I love Panama City. I want to make that clear ahead of time.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
Someone said, Squeeze, tell Brad, yes, as a Jamaican citizen and an American resident, you can go to Canada without a visa. All you need is a green card and a Jamaican passport. I did it twice.
Okay.
I thought that changed, though.
I thought they did too.
I did that
But I'm not
over a decade ago.
But I'm not a Canadian immigration lawyer. I do know that a Canadian resident of Canada, needs a visa to come to the United States and can't just cross the border. So I assume that the rules go
Both ways.
Both ways.
Let's say someone came here as a child, hidden under grandmother's clothing 30 years ago. Grandma died. He has no papers, no ID, nothing. Now what?
Hidden under grandma's clothing?
In other words, they came here
Well, you should have a DACA. You should get DACA, that's for sure.
Hidden under grandma's clothing.
Grandma must have been a fat woman, and she came as a baby. All right. I don't know any other way how you can do
Brad.
What?
It's true.
You need to be muzzled, man.
What? Why? Grandma was a fat woman.
She could have been a skinny woman,
Fat
too.
is
You
not
can't be a
fat.
skinny. You can't be a skinny woman and hide a baby under your belly and then it would stick out.
But you're missing
if
the
you're-
point. She could be skinny and then she would look fat.
No, because it would just be a huge bump that looks out of place.
Fat is not an offensive word.
It's not an
just
offensive word.
It's a descriptive word.
Yeah, so she had to have been a fat woman. You hide the baby under the clothing. You can't tell where the baby ends and the fat begins. It's just,
I think it was
right. Versus
you are an idiot.
Right. Versus a skinny person just looks like a big bump.
Oh, Brad.
No?
You're a funny guy, man.
It's true.
Jesus.
Only on the Brad and Squeeze show.
I have a question
Jackie
from
said she had
Periscope.
to have been
She
fat
goes,
too.
yes, she was fat.
Yeah, she had
Confirm.
to have been. She had to have been.
If you are here illegally and working and using your social security number, will it be an issue if your daughter...
But by
who's-
the way, yes, I can help him. If he's 30, he can get DACA.
Okay.
All right, and then we'll go from there.
All right. So if you are here legally and are working using your social security number, will it be an issue if your daughter, who is a citizen, wants to file for you?
As long as you made a legal entry into America, and it doesn't matter whether you're paying your taxes.
I have one on Periscope. If I'm a psychotherapist in Germany, may I practice in USA or may I have a green card for trying to work in the United States? He's a psychotherapist in Germany. Can he practice in the United
He
States?
needs a license.
So, and then would he need a visa? I think he's asking for a visa or a green
You
card.
need to get a license first before he can get a visa.
Okay.
As a psychotherapist, if he can get a green card some other way, and then he's a green card holder, he still can't practice as a psychotherapist, but then after he gets his green card, he can certainly apply for his license.
Okay.
My priority date is February 15th of this year. I did my biometric on March 24th. How long do I have to wait to get my work permit, and when would I get my interview?
You should have gotten your work permit by now. If you don't get it in the mail by the end of next week, give me a call.
1-800-LawLink, 1-800-529-5465. With 3 minutes to go, we got to remind you, this is the Brad and Squeeze Show, created by the law offices of Spar Bernstein and the Link Up Media Group of companies.
I have one more for you. You file online for ETA to go to Canada as a green card holder. That's what one person is saying.
All right, so you need some sort of visa.
Yeah.
Right.
Jackie said that the kid walked between her legs. She had a long skirt on. He was 3. She was a fat woman.
That's a crazy story.
You look skeptical.
You're all idiots. That's all I'm
Why?
saying. The things you guys come up with.
Us?
So she was like,
How could you have walked under her legs and nobody seen?
Exactly.
I'm assuming
why I
that
said
she
you're all
just
idiots.
meant.
I'm just reading. This is what she said. This is the story.
That's ridiculous. All right. Squeeze, you got a minute.
Okay. I was going to respond to that. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Once again, thanks to each and every one for tuning in to the Brad and Squeeze Show. We're about to conclude the show for about a week. We'll return, God's willing, next week. But remember, 1-800-529-5465. You can actually do your appointments today over the phone with Brad. All right? 1-800-LawLink. 1-800-529-5465. Criminal defense in the same space. Personal injury, family law, tax law, and yes, obviously immigration.
By the way,
1-800-LawLink.
although I'll be gone till after Memorial
running
Day,
tapes.
I'll be back on Tuesday, but and we'll be live back during the show on Wednesday. My office is open, so come see.
Not on Memorial Day.
Not on Memorial Day, though.
What about Memorial Saturday?
No.
Okay.
We're just open Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we'll be back on Tuesday.
Okay.
All right, everyone, have a great, safe Memorial Day, and we'll see you back here next week.
See you next week. The proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein law firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.